Good morning. We're here today at Frank's Pontiac Parts in 29 Palms, California to showcase this 1967 Pontiac GTO body on a pallet. So this is what we've got here. It's a 1967 GTO. It's from here in California. Been here all its life. Originally burgundy. I haven't sent away for the PHS documents yet, but it is a 4-speed car, or was one. It's about all we can tell you about it. We're going to walk around it here just so you can see it a little bit, and then I'll go into detail on what I have actually seen. Sun's starting to come up, so I don't know how well this is going to turn out. I try to do these before the sun comes up, but sometimes I don't get out here soon enough. Okay, so kind of see it's a good replacement body. If you've got a bad body, you could probably make this work. It is a real 242 GTO, but it does have some issues, and I'll get into that now. So the roof itself is in real good shape, but it does have a dent. I think it's this side. It's got one here, and it's got one on the other side there. That would have to be fixed. This one's actually pretty good, but a guy with a stud puller can do that, fix that. It does have rust in the dash track. There's rust all in there, so that would have to be fixed. Cowl looks good. Cowl mounts are all good. Stuff's good. There's the tag. And floors look good, rockers look good, A-pillars are fine. My guy used my good brackets for the floor. We may pull those out of there to attach it. Wasn't expecting those to get used. There's a couple pinholes on the floor, but nothing horrible. It looks actually pretty darn good. It's pretty darn solid. You can see here there's a small hole right there, and it's actually all I see, but I'm sure there might be something else that I'm missing. Quarter panels aren't rusty, but they do have some issues. Some kind of split or repair there. I guess they do have some rust, nothing horrible. There's some rust right there, but nothing too bad. Both quarters are dented on the sides. Right, it's a dent right there. Not too bad back here on the upper deck panel, but it does have rust in the track again. This could be good for parts, good for maybe using your Le Mans and making it a GTO by fixing what's here and using your pieces and so forth to put it together. It's got a nice tail panel, but it does have a rust spot right there. So that is an old car. It is 1967, so you can't expect perfect. And this quarter also has a dent there and a small crease there. Yeah, not rusty at the bottom of this one. So there you have it. Not too bad. 1967 GTO body on a pallet at frankspontiacparts.com in 29 Palms, California. This is packaged for local pickup. We can go ahead and put this on your trailer. It'd be a little hard for commercial pickup the way it is. We could potentially build another pallet, but that would be very expensive to have one full length or to have a crate. So we prefer to just sell them like this local. Well, thank you for looking. Have a good day.